Hello viewers, I am back at the St. Francis Dam, and I am up on top of what's left of the west abutment wing dike, and I want to show you some pictures of when after the dam collapsed, when they were blowing all this up. So here's a picture, and I got this picture. It's a silent reel, and this is where you can find it. Santa Clarita Valley history. It's Fox film footage, and this is just a clip I got of it when the workers are setting dynamite charges, and you can see them, and they're probably just about in this area, looking that way. They're setting the dynamite and blowing all this up right here, which is what this is. And if you look close, right behind this guy right here, right there still standing, you can see the tombstone. So this is when they were blowing this all up, setting the dynamite and blowing all this up. So there's the tombstone standing up before they knocked that down, before they dynamited that. And so that's one picture pointing this way. And let me walk over there, I'll show you another picture. Just a different angle. Right across the way, that's where the dam was attached. So from this angle over here, show you a different picture. Here's some more demolition of the dam, probably taken right about here. Here's some more. That's just a different angle. There's workers drilling the holes for the dynamite. You can see how the dam curved around right there. So they'd be standing right about there. If you look, the dam curves around. So just some more pictures of the St. Francis Dam. And this Fox film footage, it's a silent reel, and they have the whole, it's like 20 minutes. And they have the pictures of these guys blowing this up. And there is a picture of when this area up here explodes. It's probably filmed from that little up on that mountain over there. So anyway, so that's this side, that's this angle, setting dynamite charges. And then this way would be this one. There you go. Just some St. Francis Dam footage. Just blowing up what was left of the west abutment wing dike. All right, thanks for watching.